Alright guys, so this is going to be a very basic video about the Docker installation on your Ubuntu machine. It can be local, it can be on a server, it doesn't matter. It can be the desktop version, it can be the server version, it does not matter. So we are going to run just a bunch of commands to install Docker on your machine. So let's get started. You need to open the terminal first, and I'll be just running the command to check the Docker version. So it says the Docker is currently not installed. That's completely okay. So next we are going to first we are going to update our software repositories. So for that you need to write sudo apt-get what was it, update. Yep. So it's going to update the software repositories. So this is next we are going to write sudo apt install docker.io. so it's going to take a few minutes, guys, so just hold on, be patient, and let it do whatever it's doing. We are almost done, just a few more seconds. Yep. So next we are going to add Docker services on the startup. So whenever you restart your machine, your server, you will want the Docker to be restarted automatically. So all the applications that you might be running in the future using Docker containers, so you will want them to start automatically. So for that you need to enter sudo systemctl start docker, and next we are going to write enable docker. So yep, it's done. So now if you enter docker version, it's going to tell you the version that's installed. So yeah guys, this is it. Just a few basic commands. So I'll try to add a link to these commands in the description, so it's easier for you to do it on your system. So this is it. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks and see ya.